What's up guys, hope everyone is well and that the weather around where you live is a lot better than it is here today. As you can see, I've got the garage door shut because it's about 48 degrees, it is overcast and it is raining, so cold and wet, no fun. Today's video is going to be very quick. It's an easy job. All I'm doing is changing the clutch slave cylinder in my car, so let's get started. All that really needs to come off are the intercooler and the elbow going into the throttle body. This will differ obviously from a naturally aspirated car, but the process of replacing the slave cylinder is indeed the same. I find it useful to lay a towel down over the work area to absorb any fluid that will inevitably leak out. There's only 2 bolts holding the slave cylinder down, however, depending on the previous owners, you may or may not have a small black box known as a condenser. This is for the oil pressure gauge in the dash, so if yours is still there, be careful that you don't break it. Make sure you use the new crush washers that come with your replacement slave cylinder, as they provide the seal for this component of the hydraulic system. Also, keep an eye on your clutch master cylinder reservoir. You certainly do not want that to run dry, otherwise you have to start the bleeding process all over again. Finally, as is the way of the world, installation is the reverse of removal. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to rate the video and ring the bell for notifications so that you are the first to know when these videos get released in the future. And until next time, take care.